Hello everyone, I'm Ashwani. I'm a mechanical engineer pursuing my master's from Japan. And if you wish to learn ANSYS Workbench and ANSYS Space Claim softwares, you are at the right place. In this video, I shall be explaining to you about the engineering data tab of the static structural system. You would want your body or any body would be made up of probably more than one kind of material like steel, plastics, PMMA, and you need to assign different material properties to these materials. And engineering data tab enables you to add the material properties for these material. So let's get started. Let's dive into the engineering data tab. Just double click on it, and by default you can find structural steel added on it. You can see that the standard ANSYS has a standard engineering data library, and for many materials like steel, aluminium, copper, brass, bronze, ANSYS has a ready to use library so that you need not feed the material property each time. However, you can also add your own customized material by just clicking on this area and giving it some name. Suppose if I want to add PMMA material. So now there is a question mark. You can find the various kinds of properties which you can assign to this material. You can assign a linear isotropic property or a hyperelastic property. So let us, for example, assign an isotropic elastic property, which is the most commonly used kind of property, and it follows the Hooke's law. So you just need to click on isotropic elastic and drag it on PMMA. You can assign the units and fill some properties, and there you go, your material is ready. You can also add a material from the vast library I said, and the way to do that is click at this engineering data sources tab here. After clicking, you can find an engineering data sources window from which you can add your material. Most of the materials appear in this general materials category, and after clicking on that you can find various material like polyethylene, aluminium, copper, and if you wish to add this material, just click on plus. To go back and view whether your material is added, the method is to again click back on this engineering data sources tab, and your aluminium alloy has been added. The most important mistake we do is to click on this close if we wish to close on the engineering data tab, but don't do this.